The BMW 1 Series F40 from 2019 to 2024 features a digital instrument cluster, including a digital speedometer. This video will guide you on how to find and access this feature, essential for modern driving. Note that the F40 is no longer in production, but this guide remains relevant for existing owners. To access the digital speedometer, start by turning on the ignition. This activates the vehicle's electrical system. The digital speedometer should now appear on the 10.25-inch TFT screen located behind the steering wheel. If an analog display is shown instead, locate the View button on the left side of the steering wheel. Press the View button to cycle through display options. Continue pressing the View button to cycle through display options until the digital speedometer becomes visible. The speed is now displayed in a clear, large format on the digital speedometer. You can customize the display through the iDrive system. Start by using the iDrive controller knob to navigate the menus. Navigate to My Vehicle in the main menu. Then select Vehicle Settings from the submenu. Choose Displays to access display options. Select Instrument Cluster to reach the customization options. Here, you can switch between digital hybrid, digital speedo with analog-style dials, or classic analog views to suit your preference. In digital mode, the speedometer shows the speed in bold white numerals on a black background. The units are user-selectable via iDrive settings, allowing you to choose between MPa or kilometers per hour. It also integrates other information such as fuel economy or G-force, providing a comprehensive driving overview. If the digital speedometer doesn't appear, it might be due to a software glitch. First, try resetting the iDrive system. Navigate to the Settings menu, then select System and choose Reset Options to perform a system reset. If the reset doesn't work and the issue persists, contact a BMW dealer for professional diagnostics and potential fixes. Software updates are pushed out via BMW's over-the-air system, so ensure your car is connected to the internet and check for available updates. The F40's digital cluster exemplifies a broader trend in automotive design. By 2026, over 70% of new BMW models feature fully digital clusters, according to industry reports. This shift enhances connectivity, allowing integration with apps like BMW Connected for remote diagnostics. Digital clusters are also 20 to 30% lighter than traditional analog ones, improving fuel efficiency through reduced vehicle weight. Automotive experts praise the F40's digital cluster for its intuitiveness and clarity. Surveys show a strong preference for digital speedometers among F40 owners, valuing their ease of use and reduced driver distraction compared to traditional analog displays. In summary, accessing the digital speedometer in your BMW F40 is simple using the steering wheel View button or navigating through the iDrive menu. Always check for software updates via iDrive to ensure the display performs optimally. For more comprehensive information, refer to your BMW owner's manual or contact a BMW dealership for assistance.